A long time ago, in a distant land, there lived a young girl named Lila. She possessed a heart full of compassion and a smile that could light up even the darkest corners of the world. Everywhere she went, her kindness touched the lives of those around her, and she was loved and admired by all. One sunny morning, as Lila strolled through the village, she noticed a lone stray dog limping along the path. Its sad eyes tugged at her heartstrings, and she couldn't bear to see the creature suffer. With utmost tenderness, Lila approached the dog and offered it some food and water. As she caressed its fur, a wave of loving kindness washed over her, and she whispered, "You are not alone, dear friend. I am here for you." From that day on, Lila made it her mission to care for the stray dog, whom she named Champ. Each morning she would visit Champ with food and water, and the two forged a deep bond of love and trust. But her compassion extended far beyond just one creature. Lila had a special place in her heart for every living being, whether human or animal. She spent her days volunteering at the village shelter, nurturing injured animals back to health with unwavering love. She comforted those who were hurting and listened to those who needed someone to talk to. Word of Lila's compassionate acts spread through the village, and people were inspired by her boundless kindness. Her friends noticed the sense of fulfillment and joy that emanated from her, and they too began to practice loving kindness in their daily lives. As time went on, Serenity began to thrive as a community of compassion. People looked out for one another, lending a helping hand whenever needed. Acts of kindness became contagious, spreading like ripples in a pond. One evening, the village faced an unexpected crisis when heavy rainfall caused flooding, threatening homes and livelihoods. The villagers came together, working tirelessly to build barriers and support each other through the trying times. In the midst of chaos, Lila emerged as a beacon of hope and love. She organised relief efforts, providing shelter and food for those affected by the disaster. Her compassion and loving kindness created a sense of unity among the villagers, as they supported each other with a newfound strength and resilience. As the waters receded, the village transformed into a place of compassion and loving kindness, united by a shared understanding of interconnectedness. Lila's simple acts of kindness had sparked a profound shift in the hearts of the villagers, reminding them of the power of empathy and the value of every life. The village flourished in this newfound spirit of compassion, becoming a sanctuary where all beings were treated with love and respect. Stray animals found homes, and the villagers continued to support each other through the ups and downs of life. The tale of Lila's loving kindness and compassion spread far beyond Serenity. Travellers passing through the village heard of the extraordinary girl who had changed the lives of an entire community through her boundless heart. Lila's story became an inspiration for people from distant lands, encouraging them to practice compassion and loving kindness in their own lives. And so the legacy of Lila's compassion lives on, a reminder that a single act of kindness can create a ripple effect, transforming the world around us. In a world where compassion and empathy are cherished, the sense of interconnectedness flourishes, and the bonds that unite us become unbreakable threads of love. As Lila once said, love and kindness have the power to heal wounds, mend broken hearts, and create a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and loved. If you enjoyed this video, please support our channel by giving us a like and a subscribe.